the grammar of どうして The grammar of どうして is mean that as or in the role of something. And in Japanese, when you use the grammar of どうして you can use it now only. That means when you use the grammar of どうして you should begin by the verb now and after that followed by どうして So when you use the now with the grammar of どうして you don't need to change anything. You can use in that form. The next, let's go to see some example of how to use the grammar of どうして In here, our first example is say 彼は教師として働いている。彼は教師として働いている。Which means that he has been working as a teacher. He has been working as a teacher. In here, our noun is 教師. 教師 is mean teacher. 教師 and after the noun 教師 they followed by として働いている。教師として which mean as a teacher, it translates to be English. 働いている which mean working, right? So 彼は教師として働いている which mean he has been working as a teacher. That means you are in the position of teacher and you teach student. You are not in the position of student or you are not in the position of principal of the school, but you stand in the place of teacher. So in Japanese, you can say 教師として or 学生として or you can say another job like engineer として right? So you can use として in many cases. The next they say 僕の友人としては君ばかりだ。僕の友人としては君ばかりだ。Which means that you are the only friend I have. You are the only friend I have. In this sentence, our noun is 僕の友人, right? Or 友人. 友人 is mean friend or best friend. Which means 僕の友人 which mean my friend, my best friend. としては君だけだ which means that you are the only friend I have. The next sample. 彼女は歌手として最近活躍しています。彼女は歌手として最近活躍しています。Which means that she is active as a singer lately. She is active as a singer lately. In this sentence, you see that our noun in here is 歌手. 歌手is mean singer in English. And after the noun 歌手 we followed by として which mean you active or which mean English that as a singer, right? 歌手として as a singer 最近活躍しています which mean active. Lately, she is active as a singer lately. That means you work as a singer, right? So that means you go to many places and you sing a song, and that is your job. So you are a singer. So you are in the position of the singer. The next example is say, 私は留学生として日本に来ました。私は留学生として日本に来ました。Which means that I came to Japan as a study abroad student. I came to Japan as a study abroad student. In here, our noun is 留学生. After the 留学生, they followed by として, right? So 留学生 is mean international student. Or when you go to some other country and you study in the country, that means you are 留学生, or in English they can say international student. That means you go to Japan and you go to Japan in the position of international student. You are not going to Japan for tourists or from the government, right? But you go to Japan to study, so you are in the position of international student. So when you translate to English, you can say, I came to Japan as a study abroad student. That means you from another country to study in Japan. So I hope that you understand about how to use the grammar of として. として is really easy. You use the grammar of として when you want to know that what is the position you are or another person are. So when you use the grammar of として that means you want to separate that which place you stand on. That means the position in the organization that you are in. So every time you use the grammar of として you can use the noun only.